Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tapping on this video. I'm so glad you found me today. Thank you and thanks a lot. So in this video, I'm going to share with you on how I made this very beautiful wall hanging decorations that I made just from fabrics, pieces of fabrics and cartons. That is what I use to make all these beautiful designs you're seeing. And trust me, this process is super easy and it's a DIY project, which means that you can do it by yourself. It's very easy to make and it's so budget and pocket friendly because all what you need to make this beautiful wall hanging decorations are just pieces of fabrics, leftover fabrics, scrap materials, and just ordinary cartons. And that is all you need to make this beautiful wall hanging decorations. And you can see how they graced my wall. You can see how beautiful they came out to be. I'm still going to make more of these to put on my walls because I really love them so much. So if you want to beautify your walls, you want to beautify your office space, you want to beautify your living room, your bedrooms on the budget friendly costs, I'll advise you make use of this method, this approach that I'm going to show you here in this video. And please, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you're yet to subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. So these are the cartons that I use to make these beautiful designs. These are the cartons, all right? So, and you need this glue gun to attach the fabric to the cartons. Just the glue gun. Is either the small one or the big one, whichever one will work fine. And then scrap materials, just scrap fabrics, maybe your leftover fabrics, or you can just cut out from any just little fabrics you need to make this. So these are the scrap fabrics I'm making use of. And then I'm going to, this is a carton that I have here. So I'm going to cut this carton out because I want to show you how I make the round shaped designs, because I think that is the only one out of those designs that you need some explanations. The other ones, you just cut out your cartons to the shape and size that you want. So for this, I'm going to mark on that 7-inch mark. I'm going to give a point. So I'm going to place my tape measure like this, making sure that the 7-inch mark is on that point, and I'm going to mark 14 inches here, and then I'm going to mark here and then 14 inches here because I want to make my round circle to be 14 inches. So that is why I'm doing this. That's why I'm making use of 14 inches. I want the diameter of the circle to be, that means the wideness of the circle to be 14 inches. So that's why I'm doing it this way. So the first thing you just need to do is make a point in the middle of the carton. Put the midpoint of your tape measure, whatever measurement you want to use, put the midpoint at that point that you made, and then you measure out the inches that you want. So I'm done doing that all over. Then I'm going to cut this out on the markings that I have, the 14 inches markings that I have. So now I have my circle, as you can see. So now to cut out the other shapes, you just cut out your carton like this. Just cut it out to the shape and size that you want to make. Is as simple as this, okay? So just very simple. Just cut out your cartons to your shapes. The circle is the only one you need to measure, all right? So I'm going to be using this blue cloth, this blue sequence. So I'm going to cover up the carton with the blue sequence like this. And at the back here, I'm going to secure the blue fabric down onto the carton. So that is just the only thing I'm going to do. So that is what we need the glue gun for. Just to make sure that we secure the fabrics down on the carton, just like this. So, and I'm going to do that all around, making sure that the fabric securely and tightly secures on the carton to give me the shape that I want. And So this is what you're just going to do, even if you're making a triangular shape, a rectangular shape, whatever shape you're making, you're doing, the only thing in it, the main motive behind everything is to attach the fabric on the back of the carton, just like the way I'm going to be doing and the way you're seeing that I'm doing right now in the video. And if you don't have a glue gun, there's another very simple way to make this. You can use your candle. All right, if you don't have a glue gun, if you have candles, and if you don't have candles, you can just purchase candle, just maybe one piece of candle, and then you light it up. So you just need the candle wax, something that can just glue your fabric to the carton. Okay, that is only what you need. So you just use the candle wax. Okay, that is just what you need. Like the way I'm putting this glue gun, the way I'm putting it, and I'm attaching my fabric to it. So you just put your candle, just let the candle wax, all right, just put the candle wax on the carton like this, and before the candle wax solidifies, you make sure that you put your fabric on it, and then the fabric solidifies with the candle wax on the carton, and in that way your fabrics get attached and glued to your carton. Okay, so it's very budget friendly and DIY. So that's why I said if you don't have a glue gun, that is you can use a candle wax. Okay, all right, the candle wax also will do the job of this glue gun for you. Okay, you don't have to purchase a glue gun because you want to do this, so just use your candle. All right, so yeah, you can see this is how it is going. Now after you've done doing it like this, you can still attach any other decorations you want to attach just to beautify it. If you have nice trimmings, anything you have, you can even put flowers, you can attach flowers on it, you can attach anything you have, all right, just to make it look more beautiful and attractive. You can do you. So here I'm going to be cutting out this carton. I'm going to cut it out because now I want to do something on it. So I want you to watch it closely. So you can see that you can see the way I'm folding this carton. Now at the edge here, I'll put the candle wax and then hold it firmly like this so that it sticks together. You can see, so it has become firm. Now I'm going to take my beautiful wall decoration, especially during the festive seasons. All right, you can do this in the festive seasons. Right now that we are in the festive season, so you're worrying or you want to decorate your apartment, you're worrying, you don't know how to do that in a budget friendly way. That is why I made this video for you. All right, so with this you can decorate your apartment, you can decorate your space this festive season and make your apartment look so beautiful. So you can see I attached the carton right there. Now I'm going to attach this on it this way, as you can see. So just make sure that you place your hand on it and give it some few seconds to glue together. Now that is done, and you can see this is what we have on the outside, and this is how the inside looks like. So don't worry, this inside no one is going to see it because it's good. That is, this inside is going to face directly on the wall, so no one is going to see it. All right, so, and that is how to do it. I'm just doing some finishing touches to this what that I'm doing. And guys, you see I'm done, and this circle is the only one I feel that has, you know, lot of this thing, and that is just, I'm done. And that is how simple and easy it is to make. So I'm going to put my glue gun here, just put few of that glue gun, and now I just attach it on my wall. And that's all. Within few minutes, you're done with this. All right, just like 5 minutes, you're done. So this is how I make this design. So you can make as many designs as you want. So, and that is just the process. That is all you need. That is how I made all these beautiful wall hanging decorations that you see. So that is how I made them. I still have a lot of them that I've made, and then I want to put on my walls. So you can see, and that is how to make it so beautiful. And this particular one too, I did 3 of them, and I just glued the 3 together to make one. The same thing I did here. This here is like a triangular shape. You just cut out a triangular shape, put your fabric on it, and you're done, guys. That is how simple and easy it is to make this beautiful wall hanging decorations. I hope you love it. And thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you a lot. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful, and also share to your loved ones, and also please subscribe to the channel if you're yet to do so. Thank you so much. Till I see you in my next video, please take good care of yourself. Bye for now.